Good morning children, how are you all? Are you fine? Okay. In the previous class we discussed up to exercise 4. Now I am starting exercise 5 children. Okay. See the first one in exercise 5, first question. They given on abacus. They given some spokes and lines on abacus and they are asking us to write the number name. Okay. They are asking us to write the number name, how they write and how we can present it once check. Okay. See the abacus given for us. See this number and they are asking us to write the number name in words. Okay, see how many beats was given. What are the place values? I will write on the spokes: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 4,000, 500, 4 tens and 5 ones. Now they are asking us to write this number. Okay, write the number name of this one. What is that? What is the number? $4,545. Write the number name. 4,545 and 45. And 4,545. Next one. Expanded notation. Expand 2,705. They are asking us to expand this one. How many thousands? How many hundreds? How many ones was given? How many thousands? How many hundreds? And how many ones was given? Here they not yet given tens in the question. Why here it is 0? So no need to place. Now 2,000s, 700s, 5 ones. Okay ma? Next one. 1,200 plus 1,200 plus 758. What the symbol they used, children? Plus. Plus means addition. So add these two numbers, 1,200s plus 758. Right. 8 plus 0, 8, 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 7, 9, 1. So the number is 1958. What is that number? 1958. Now the fourth question. See the fourth question, children. Minus blank was given. They given the answer 1076. They are asking us what is that missing number. How we can say the missing number? Here they what they done, 1276 minus some number. They got 1076. So what is that answer they are asking? So division 1276 minus 1076. 0, 0, 2 minus 0. So what is the difference between those two? 200s. What is the difference between those two? 200s. Next, complete the series. Complete the series. In the previous class also I told you, like the series or patterns given means there should be some difference between each and every number. Okay, there should be some difference between that concerning the series numbers. See that 547, 540, 533, and they are asking what are the next three numbers. see that. See, once if you observe these two numbers, first two numbers, if you observe the first two numbers, what is the difference between 547 and 540? How we can say, how we can find the difference? By subtracting the two numbers. So 547 minus 540. 7 minus 0, 7. 4 minus 4, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. So what is the difference between each two in those two numbers? 7. What is the difference between those two numbers? 7. So if you subtract 7 from the next number 533, you will get this number. This is the series. Okay. That means 533 minus 7. 3 minus 7. Is it possible, ma'am? No. So now you have to borrow. How you will borrow? From before number. So 10, it becomes 12. This becomes 13 and before number becomes 2. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 7, 6, 2, 5. So the number is 526. Next 526 minus 7. 6 minus 7, not possible. So now you have to borrow. So 16, the before number becomes 1. 16 minus 7, 9. 1, 5. So the answer is 519. Last one, 519 minus 7. 9 minus 7, 2. Again 1, 5. So 500. Like that you can fill the series. By finding the difference between the numbers, we can write the series. What we done? Once again I will repeat you. Complete the series. First we should find the difference between first two numbers. The answer what you will get, that is the difference between the numbers given. So first you have to subtract 533 minus 7, you will get 526. Again you have to subtract 526 minus 7, you will get 519. Again you have to subtract 519 minus 7, you will get 512. See the next one, children. Sum of the sum of 358 and 142. 358 and 142 is, what is the sum? What is meant by sum? The answer or the resulting number in addition is called sum. So what you have to do? Sum means what you have to do? You have to add the given numbers. What are those two given numbers? 358 plus 142. 5 plus 8, 2 plus 8, 10. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10 again. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So the sum is equal to 500s. The sum is equal to 500s. Next one. 5 cars has how many wheels? 5 cars have how many wheels? Okay, children. Each, first we should think one car having how many wheels? One car has how many wheels? 4 wheels. One car have how many wheels? 4 wheels. So 5 cars, 5 fours, 20 wheels. How many wheels? One car have 4 wheels. So 5 cars means 5 fours, 20 wheels. 5 fours, 20 wheels. Next one. 4075. Write the numeral for 4075. 4075. They are asking us to write the numeral. The numeral means number. How we will write the number? 4075. So first write the place values of the numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 4 places should be. Yes, na? So how you will write the the number name 4075. How many thousands? 4 thousands. How many thousands? 4 thousands. Any hundreds was given, Nana? No, not yet given. So keep that place 0. In that place you have to put the 0. Next, how many? 75. 7 tens and 5 ones. 75. So the next one, if you write directly like this, 4075 means you will write like this. It's wrong. First you have to write the place values. Then you will find that the hundreds place was not given. So you have to put 0. Ninth question. They given a picture for us. Each picture is having 5 dots. Each picture is having 5 dots. They given plus in between that, and they are asking how many dots and how many boxes. Plus, again one more picture. Again 5 dots. Plus one more picture with 5 dots. Okay, now the fourth picture. And they given question like this, equal to 2 boxes was given. In between that they given multiplication symbol into. This is the question. So first we have to check what the question was given. So here, how many circles was given? First count. How many circles was given, Nana? 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. How many circles was given? 4 circles. In each circle, how many dots was given? How many dots was given in each circle? 5 dots. Count those dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots only given. Yes, na? So into 5. 4 into 5. They didn't ask the result. Like that only they given blanks for us. You leave like that. Okay? Next. 2965 is dash more than 1965. Children, in the previous classes already we told you how much more, how much less means you have to do subtraction. Here, this 2965 is how much, this question is how much more than that 1965. So what you have to do, already I told you how much more or how much less means we have to do subtraction. So now 2965 minus 1965. If you subtract, what the answer you will get, that much more or that much less, we can see. So 5 minus 5, 0, 6 minus 6, 0, 9 minus 9, 0, 2 minus 1, 1. So 1000 more than that 1965. So what the conclusion step you have to write? Therefore, 2965 is 1000 more than 1965. 1000 more than 1965. Like that we can see. Children, our exercise 5 also completed. Total 10 bits will be complete. And one more thing, I am sending the CWs through WhatsApp to you. Write very neatly. Okay, you are small kids now. Write neat handwriting. How we are presenting in the book, like that only you have to write in the book. Okay, children. Take care of your health, ma. Take care, children. Goodbye.